It's a short video to show how to change the main seal on a 2-inch Drylink coupler. So all you need is the replacement seal, the Allen key and screws that comes with the replacement seal, the seal replacement tool, and some lubricant. So all you need to do to take the seal off of the coupler is to take the Allen key and undo the screws, and then once you've taken the screws out, push the push button in there, open the flow control handle, and then remove the seal. Now, to replace the seal, make sure the valve is in the closed position. Check to make sure there's no damage on the side of the valve, and that the seal seat here is clear of any grit or dirt. Then take the lubricant and the seal tool, place a small amount of lubricant around the tool, just to help the seal over the tool without damaging it. And take the seal, place it over the replacement tool, take the metal ring, push that down over the top, and then place the seal over the top of the valve and push down. Now the seal replacement tool opens the valve, opens the seal up enough to get it over the valve without damaging it, and then replace the screws. And once the screws are replaced and done up hand tight, just open the valve and close it a couple of times just to make sure the seal is seated correctly. And that's it. Now to change the main seal on the adapter half of the fitting, you follow exactly the same process.